अमित बाबा एक्झॅक्टली तो तुमचा बार्रांचो इशू आता तुमचे एसोसिएशन झगडटा तर खंय पावला एक्झॅक्टली ओपन जावपाचे शक्यता आसा वो कितें गव्हर्मेंटान सांगला तुमकां?
सी परिस्थिती अशी आसा न्ही, बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स आर synonymous, they are together. Goyan kasha, every restaurant has a bar attached, not like other places where there is a permit room which is separate license which is granted. So central government SOP as per that SOP, right now they have allowed only restaurants to be open. So we have been pursuing with the government to let the bars also be opened along with the restaurant which is attached to the restaurant itself. So we've been trying to convince the government to please allow us, because anyway opening a restaurant and opening a restaurant with bar makes no difference. But it makes a lot of difference if the bar is not open without restaurant, because it is not about drinking habits, as people trying to say that people, you are trying to promote drinking habit. It is not that. People come for spending some time with their family and they like to have one or two drink. That does not make them drunkards. Also, running a bar along with the restaurant does not mean that you are trying to promote drinking of alcohol. When you have opened up tourism, when you have opened up hotels, what is the problem of opening the restaurant with bars? Because again, ultimately tourism is also interconnected with people coming to eat out or drink out, and even Goans per se love to go out. But right now obviously restaurants have not opened up completely because of the fact that they cannot operate just as a restaurant. There is no enough business, there is no enough staff also available. In that circumstances, if you allow only a restaurant to be open without a bar, there is no enough, there being no business, you can't meet overhead expenses. So breaking even is a problem. Beyond, you will also face losses because you have opened up. So I, as an association's lawyer, have been trying to make memorandums after memorandums. The association has been following up with the government, and we are hoping that government takes some decision on opening of bars along with the which are attached to the restaurants.
पण सध्याच्या परिस्थितीन वे वी आर इन्क्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ केसीस हॅव बीन इन्क्रीजिंग जाता हे ओपनिंग शक्य आसा कित्याक बार्राचेर एक फावट बसला म्हणजे ताका सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आनी कितें आसा पण कांय खबरच ना.
कशें आसता पळय, देर आर, यू आर सेयिंग दिस, पार्टीज इन गोवा आर हॅपनिंग. देर आर सम पार्टीज which are there which are all national televisions also. So if you want to stop something, you need to close everything. Then in that case you have to stop retail and wholesale sale of liquor also. Complete ban on this. Then parties won't happen. Then nothing, no alcohol is available. Restaurants are allowed to be open with social distancing. So it is the responsibility of the restaurant owner, and we as individuals, it is our social responsibility to maintain that social distancing. Now you have allowed other industries to be open. If the other industries are allowed to be open, like you are talking about a hotel, rooms are next to each other, they are bound to have their breakfast in the morning by way of buffet or order or a la carte, whatever is the system, but they are going to sit next to each other. In the same manner, they can buy liquor from wholesale or retail sale and consume it. So what is that difference will be there if you open up a bar along with the restaurant.
But are you all hoping that government will work out some solution
See,
for your own?
already-
Because it's been delaying. This issue has been delaying for a long time. तुम्ही June 31st म्हटलेलो एका टायमार, जुलयान आसा आमी.
Businesses are dying. There will be soon suicides if the businesses don't open completely. Government is right in opening businesses with proper SOPs, and that is why the Restaurant Owners Association has absolute faith in the government that they will take some decisions to open the bars in restaurants. But it has to happen fast. March, April, May, June, 4 months झाले. There are people who have closed their restaurants because they don't have enough business. And without bar, the business will never increase in Goa. That's a fact, and which we have to come to terms with.
But-
And again, I'm saying that does not mean that the Restaurant Owners Association is promoting alcoholism. It is absolutely not the correct scenario. Because I have seen certain comments on your website said that no, they are trying to make people bad though. No, if that is so, then you close down retail sales, you close down wholesale sales. Are you not promoting alcoholism in that sense? It is absolutely a correct, incorrect conclusion that people are deriving.
Okay. But so till how long you all can wait? तुम्ही अजूनही
कशी
गव्हर्नमेंट
परिस्थिती आसा, आजची परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार आय डोंट थिंक एनीवन कॅन वेट एनी लॉंगर. वी आर होपिंग दॅट गव्हर्नमेंट टेक्स इमिजिएट डिसिजन इन द मॅटर. It is for the Goa government to persuade central government that Goa tourism industry, Goa's proper industry, forget about tourism industry, otherwise the industry is dependent on bar and restaurant and hospitality. So it is for the government to persuade central government to issue SOPs in that regard. We have been hearing from Mr. Michael Lobo as well as from CM that they will try to open up the bar and restaurants completely, but no proactive decision seems to have been coming from the government, and which is a little worrisome. But again, I'm saying that faith is still there that there will be something coming out very soon.